Hey, this is Anil from marketingautomationfocus.com, and today I'll show you how to use dynamic text replacement feature of swipe pages. So in your landing page design, in your landing page builder, what you can do is personalize any text that you would like to personalize for your audience, whatever the audience target is. And it works on at least 3 places. As of this recording that I know of is the heading text, the paragraph text, and button text. But I'll show you really quick uh, two of these, the heading and the paragraph text, because they work slightly differently. Well, they work the same, but the feature how to do it is slightly different as of this recording. So when you have a heading text widget or element in your landing page design, like this one over here, you click on it and you have to go to advanced, and then you see there is a dynamic text with the plus sign, meaning to expand it. But if you try to expand it, it's going to tell you select a word to make it dynamic. Okay, so let's just fold it back. And let's say that I've already done this, so that's why it shows yellow highlight on this to let you know that this one is your dynamic text. So now if I start selecting this, uh, since I already created this, it says clear dynamic text if you want to. So that's a good option. Once you do that, you go back, and if you wanted to clear it, you can clear dynamic text. So this is coaching is the word that we want to make dynamic. So my target audience could be start a coaching business, start a consulting business, start an accounting business, or something like that. So I could start with the default as a coaching. So every time I share my landing page or someone goes to the landing page, by default they'll see this coaching where to start a coaching business in just 1 hour. Now, if I were to type the URL, and I'll show you how to do that with a URL parameter, which is defined here, type, and right now it's showing with a cross circle because you can't change it, you have to clear it. So maybe let's clear it and then go select this coaching, and it automatically expands here on the left panel. And now you can define whatever that parameter is. I could do type, or I could do, let's say, odd for audience or whatever. I could type biz or bus or business even, right? The type of business. But let's say that I use the word type, and once I click on set dynamic text, so now my URL parameter is type and coaching is my default value. Now I could do the same thing over here. So for example, for this one, the way it works differently, so now the feature is not under advanced section of this widget or the text widget. So if you select this now, you see this dynamic type. If you hover over like a kind of a script uh, tag type of coding here, or icon here, and you click on that, and now because I had already set this up, so I can clear it and I can go back now and I can select this and then hover over here, and now I could define a different one, but right now it doesn't make any sense to define a different one. So then I can set this up, and now I just need to let's say save the page, and I need to publish, or I can edit the URL, for example. Let's just pick any, and I say DTR, for example, and I can publish. So now you can see that I have the URL for the landing page, like seminars.swipepages.net/DTR, which gives me the default text in heading as well as over here in the regular text paragraph. So now if I do question mark and I say type equal, let's say I say, let's just make it consulting. Okay, when I do that and enter, now you see that the coaching word has been replaced by the word consulting, both in the heading and over here. So that's all there is to it. Hope you liked it. Talk to you later. Bye.